Hi, I'm Curtis Barties and welcome back to my channel. And on this channel we cover a lot of topics with regards to cryptocurrencies and recently Forex. And today's video will basically be me explaining or going over the broker named as HFM Markets. All content on my channel is never financial advice. It's always good to do your own research when it comes to any type of investment. So use my channel as always as a guide, and obviously do your own research when signing up to any type of platform or any type of investment you plan on doing in the future. So firstly, this video is kind of sponsored, or I'm affiliated with HFM. So you sign up by using HFM, I do get a commission. So obviously that is also to support the channel if you use the link down below. So basically in this video I'll just go over HFM Markets and also basically show how you can add your account to your MetaTrader 5. Basically going over all the perks and basically understanding the broker HFM Markets more to understand how to navigate around the platform. So like I said, this video is kind of sponsored as I am affiliated with HFM Markets. So that if you want to use the link by signing up, you can obviously do it down below. That will also obviously help the channel also. And let's get right into it. So firstly, when choosing a broker, it's always good to make sure that they are regulated, because you don't want to make sure that any broker you sign up is not regulated. So firstly, HFM is a regulated broker in South Africa, as we can see here. Not just South Africa, and a lot of more countries out there. Regulated environment, it's registered with the HFM. It's authorized and regulated as a financial service provider for the financial sector, counted as a FCK. As you can see, it is regulated in South Africa with the license number 446. Besides that, it's also regulated with different market groups. As we can see here, there's the United Kingdom, there we got Kenya, and so this is just a list of all countries in South Africa the broker is registered. So make sure always when you choose, if you're not going to be using HFM, but the video is obviously going about HF and you have other brokers out there, always sure that they are regulated. As we can see, HFM Markets is regulated, which is already a green flag for choosing a broker, so that's why they're really good. So we'll just go over all the other perks and the platform. So just more about HFM. Like I said, they a South African broker. They registered, so you can trade basically gold, you can trade all the different currency pairs on them. They have a different wide variety of leverage you can use on the platform, so it's basically very similar to all your other brokers out there, which is really good. So you can see it's award. Now this is where HFM is a little more different and makes them ahead of the competition. They are award-based trading accounts, so they have a lot of basically different awards that's been around for. So you can see this is just the different accounts. We'll just get into this also quick, which is the Cent, Zeros, Pro and Premium. As you can see, the Cent is trade in cents, zero commissions, swap free, zero spreads, leverage, so and so. So you can obviously read more into this. So here we got more. For example, this is with regards to any type of broker. They have a boost for your trading, so supercharge bonus. So when you deposit up to $50,000, you get 100% bonus on your account. So if, for example, South African rand and you deposit a 200 rand, you'll get a whole 200 rand of bonus to trade with. So that's also good when you start. So here we got a top up bonus. Every time you top up, you get a 20% bonus on the top up. So for example, your first time supercharge account, you get 100, and anything after that with this account, you basically get 20% of your bonus. So you can just see this claim, but we'll go into this. Here's the number of success since 2000. They have 2.5 million clients across the world, 2 billion client deposits across the world so far, 41,000 affiliates, and 50 trading instruments. So there's a lot of you can do on the platform. You can just see there's more instruments on this side, commodities, we get oil, gold, silver, and obviously trade stocks such as your Apple, Amazon. So basically very similar to all other brokers out there. You can just see there's an app. In the next video we'll go over the app of how you can navigate the app, but today's video is just basically going over the platform. So now we have covered all that. Just more about, as we can see, we've gone through all this. I just want to point out this, it's been 13 years of excellence, so they have been around quite a long time. As you can see, the track record in the market is also a good green flag when choosing a broker, so that's also a good one. So there we just got more information, MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. As you can see, there's just some of the awards they've won since 2010. 2010 was founded, MetaTrader 4. Here we got financial service with the license, 6 awards are received. As you can see, this you can read up on yourself if you want to sign up on this. So let's get into the platform. So firstly, I already made a video by signing up in the description. If you want to check out how to sign up onto HFM Markets, you can do that. Video will be down below. This is already where you can make an account from the start. This video is just going over the platform, so make sure to watch that video first once coming on to this one. So once you have done the sign up procedure, make sure to basically have done your two-factor authentication, or your regulate, like updating your documents, your, for example, your ID and all that stuff. Once you have officially have a verified account, you can come to this point. So as we can see, firstly, there's a home tab, a deposit, withdraw, transfer funds, my wallet, trading accounts, HFCopy, and promotion. So we'll obviously always start at home. So here we're at home. So we can see there's just more about learn more. Here we got notifications. Here we got trading news like any other platform. So we'll just click on that. So just give you information about any trading news out there. So you can see there's trading messages and accounts. So this is my trading account. So very similar to any other broker. This is where you have your account which you'll use to log on to your MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4 account where you'll be doing the actual trading. So you can see I have a list of accounts here, which is your HFM MT5 cent. There we got a top off bonus we talked about early on. We got the zero spread, and then we got an MT4 premium. So to open a new account, basically you'll just click on open trading account, which is very straightforward. So yeah, they're going to ask you again which type of account you want on this. So obviously here you have centers depending on your type of variant or which type of trader you want to be, and depending on what the benefits you want for your trading account. So it's always good to have the zero spread. You can see zero perp, minimum deposit is none. All of these ones are none. Pro is obviously here, but you get a spread from zero perp. Here you got a spread from zero perp. So the spread basically just means when you open a trade, that's basically the commission the broker will be taking depending on the spread. So you can see there is swap. So if, for example, if we wanted to take one, so for the current, we'll just take on the zero spread. So we'll just click select. So here they're going to ask you which platforms, obviously MT5, MT4. So MT5 is obviously the latest one and has a lot of more features. So we'll just click MT5. So I'm not going to do this since I already have done this on the account. So just we can see USD, the leverage, like I said, for example, the leverage, always good to keep it to 1 to 100. And affiliate ID or affiliate campaign. So this is where you can obviously click in the affiliate link if you want to. I'll link it down below, as this will give you more bonus, or you can just clear it out if you don't want to. So this is where you'll put that in and basically just click open account once you have done that. So once you have done the account, it should be here. If you go back to home, it should be listed as one of your accounts on the side depending on which one you chose. So obviously if you want to fund this account, you'll just click on to deposit. So we'll just look at the top up bonus. So it's always good to take up your top off bonus because this is basically where you'll get a bonus when depositing. So we'll just click deposit. So here we can see there's multiple ways of depositing money onto your accounts. You obviously have bank transfers, debit cards, alternative cryptos, and more. So obviously direct deposit from your bank accounts should be the safest, since that's basically just you're going to add these details on your bank account and make the payment. So we'll just click here. So we can see here we can still ask how much you want to deposit. So obviously just click as a test, we'll just click 100. Please select your bank, Capitec, identification number, and then identification type is national ID. And that's basically how you'll take your identification number, and then you'll just click deposit. So now we can see it takes us to this website where you'll just click on your information. Let's say online bank wire. So this is where they're going to ask for your bank, which is, for example, I'm Time Bank. Then we're going to say we'll pay with Time Bank. Yeah, so there's multiple. I'll just go over another way of how to deposit money onto the account. So this is going to redirect you to the way you can do this. So obviously it's going to ask you and then for your Time Bank password, and then you'll log in from this point on. So let's just go into another way of how to deposit money onto the account. So obviously a good one would be just say debit card. So this is, for example, you just click on your debit card, which I would say is the easiest one to do, since you just like it's basically buying something online over Takealot. So you just say let's just use this one, you go pay. So this is the amount you want, and they say, for example, we want $30. It was a deposit. It's going to take you to a different website. So this is where you're just going to click on your card number. So you can see mine is already saved. You'll just, for example, click this MasterCard. You'll click the expiry date, you click the CSV, you'll click your email, and basically then you'll just click pay. So depending on the card one, that should also be around a day. I think the card bank should be 2 days, but the card should be instantaneously if you want to start trading. So that is basically also, and also I forgot to note out, so deposit to, this is where you decide which account from your account page where you want to deposit money onto. For example, trading account USD, bonus one, which is the one we wanted. You'll just select that one, you'll click debit card, and then you'll do the steps from there. So obviously with withdraw is basically only after you've made some profits with your account. We'll get into that now. So withdraw is basically direct withdraw into your account. You have your Swift, you have your different wire transfer. So this is also straightforward. For example, I think there's a limit also. You need to at least have $5 if you want to withdraw from this account. So transfer fund is also straightforward. I think you guys can mostly assume what that is. Basically just transferring from your one trading account to another, and this is basically just the amount. So my wallet is basically just your wallets. For example, you can see here, so you can have trade. Here we got your bonuses, fund account, and so trade, basically just trading with us. We'll connect this to your MT4. There's actions on the side, which is add funds, withdraw funds, just more pop-ups, your trade, finances, resetting of this account's password, and changing the leverage on this account's password. So let's just go on to more features. So here we got trading accounts. So like you say here, you got your view accounts, you got your open live account, open demo account if you want to open a demo. So I think we already covered this, but let's just go over it again. If you wanted to start, it's always good to start with demo before actually starting real money. So you can see again, you have a demo premium and a demo zero. So the demo premium is basically, as we can see, MT4, HFM, and MT5. The demo zero is basically just MT4. So what this means is you can add this demo zero to all platforms. You can trade on HFM, the app, you can trade on MT5, or you can trade on MT4. With demo zero, you can just trade with the MT4 platform. So you can see this is the benefits to this. So you'll just click the same thing, select. Then you're going to ask you which one you want to do. I'll say select MT5 since that's the new one. Once again, leverage, your balance. So obviously it's good to start with the more reasonable. And then just clicking that, and then just clicking open demo account. So this is where I'll show you the step way to add this onto HFM or onto your MetaTrader. So once we got that done, we obviously just go to HFCopy. So this is something all platforms does, but I also would like to emphasize this for HF markets. So basically copy trading is for people that actually don't want to spend time in front of the markets. For example, this is where you copy the trades of someone else that basically does that for you. For example, someone that spends time analyzing the charts, analyzing the trends for a specific pair. So this is basically just where you can use that person's strategies and just follow them. Like I said, it's always good to do research, for example, who you want to choose and who has been the most profitable, but let's just take a deeper step into this. So new strategy, so let's just go into this. So you can either be a provider or you can be a follower. For example, provider, you're the one that put your stuff on there, and basically you put your analysis on the platform and someone else copy you, or you can be a follower, you follow someone else's. So to be obviously I have to fund your account to be a provider, strategy provider. So you can see you need to have a minimum deposit of 100, copy plus, so just you can up to have 200 followers and so on. And then follower strategies, so just go to this tab. So as you can see here is most viewed strategies for this on this account. So you can see this person has 280 followers. They gained for the past, I'm not sure how long this for the all time, has been 2051. So let's just say for the past 6 months to make it more realistic. So you can see for the past 6 months, this has been the #1 trader with the followers of 209. He's making a gain of almost 400%. His arrested reward is 5. This person for the past 6 made a gain of 31%, and the arrested reward is so on. So on and so on. So basically this is just how you copy trading. So if we take an example of this person's, you just go on to that. Just loading. As we can see here, the maximum they gain is 204, leverage is 1.5, performance fee is 20%, the rest reward, and followers and so on. So you can see this is just a overall chart view of their trades for the past. The account got gain. There we can see average gain, deposit, withdrawal. So obviously the Jan and Feb, this is their current withdrawal for the time being. The equity balance was mostly in JPY, you can see there. This is obviously their trading. As you can see, they were mostly in gold with a 9%. The highest was Euro USD for the pair they've been trading the most. And this is just the overall activity of what they do. So this is basically where you can see more in detail for the person you're about to follow. Obviously, like I said, I'm still in the trading phase. I have been learning trading, but I'm not currently a certified trader yet. Still learning a lot about trading, but I'm in about 4 months in the whole world as cryptocurrency. So I'm more obviously learning as much as I can. And when the time comes, obviously, maybe it depends on how good I get as a trader. So I might also be part of the people that provide strategies, but like I said, I will never try to sell people something. I'll obviously, like, all my content on my channel is always free, so you can always see stuff you want to. I'll never try to sell anything. The only way you can support the channel is by using the links down below, and that's basically how you can support your channel. So yeah, for the time being, I'll obviously learn as much. I'll use this channel, like I say, we basically, you as the subscriber and me as the view, like the person that makes the videos, obviously learning together. So use my channel as always a reference. So I'm not currently selling those signals. I'm not going to do that, so I'll just basically still be a learner in the space of Forex, and as I get better in the space, I'll obviously see how it goes. So for the time being, the best way to support the channel is just basically by using affiliate links. So yeah, I think that's copy trading, and let's just go on. So there's more about it. We just have a follow your favorite list. So this is basically where you can follow lists, just see what HFCopy is, more in detail about it. I'll link all this down below, so if you want to look more into it. So day trade, you copy trading. So yeah, just copy trading followers, trade plan, and so on and so on. Next we got promotion. So there's a thing about all brokers has promotion. For example, if you're the best trader, you get a 1,000, 2,000 reward. They have social media rewards and so on. So just see available bonuses. For example, I think we did cover this. Yeah, top up bonus, we covered that. Trading awards. So trading awards are just another thing on their platform. Trading award is for a 1,000 cash prize every month, so that's also good, but a lot of brokers do this. Just to make it emphasize, it's not very limited to HFM. So USD cash prize, a stunning oblique award, and entry into the HFM Hall of Fame. So if you're the best trader on this, you basically can become a trading award. So let's just sign up to this, since I haven't. Oh, you need to have a premium account, so I haven't been trading on this since I've been demo. So I think once I've placed a trade on the thing, I'll just enter this. So trading awards, we can just see trading awards. Oh, we've done this trading rewards. So we got rewards and awards. Okay. So the trading rewards is basically just another benefit to HFM brokers. So, for example, if you have a red status, you can also get rewards back on being a profitable trader or being active a certain amount of time on the platform. There's also just more rewards they give back to you as a trader. So you can see currently loyalty status, I'm a red status. We have red, platinum, gold, and silver since I just started. You have HSM bars balance, for example. This you can convert this bars into actual bonuses or money back into your account. Accumulate trading days. So this is also example if you're active for more than a specific days, they give you more bonuses and so on. So that's just another feature onto HFM. So I think that's mostly the account. So let's just get into the last step where you can actually add your account onto your MT5 and then basically start trading from there. So let's go on to home. So once you have done your account, let's just do it from these steps. So you can see you're obviously going to choose the account you did from this point on. So which the one you've created. So let's just get our phone ready. So once you deposited money onto your account, for example, I'm going to use this one as a reference, the MT5. This one here. Yeah. We'll just click deposit. And I forgot to mention, once the account has been created, they will obviously send you a link with the password of this account. This will obviously be via email. So as you can see, the password ain't on the screen. There will be no password. So they will send you the user name and user password of this account via email. So make sure that you write this down on a piece of paper, or make sure that your email is very backed up, since you don't want to lose this once you have like money and you have a lot of money started. So we'll just use this one as the reference. Let me just close all the tabs, and it's a lot. Okay, let's do that. Let's do that. So you can see, let's click on to trade. So there we got it. So obviously you can just click on trade, for example, empty bonus, you click on trade. There you can see you can do it via the terminal. Oh, I forgot to mention MT5 terminal is basically where you can trade via the browser. This is very good, since I haven't seen this video on the broker. So basically if you didn't want it to use the app, you can use it via this. Then you basically can just trade on the side. So just click on login. So the terminal looks a little more overwhelming. I myself haven't gotten used to this yet, but basically the option is there for traders if you want to trade on the terminal itself via your PC, which is more, you have more options basically and more room to breathe regarding on your phone where you can do analysis. But personally, I do all my analysis on TradingView, since this is the best to do analysis, and then I just place the trades on the app or on the browser. I haven't used this, but this is a good feature to have, since this is built into HFM if you wanted to do that. So I also just wanted to show you that part. So let's just move back on to adding the account onto the Meta35, and then that should be most of the topics covered in today's video. I also just wanted to say promotions, contests, and rewards. This is the last one before we move on to the Meta35. As you can see, there's a lot of competitions also. As you can see, there's a 24 affiliate program, so you can just read into this more if you wanted to. Here we got HFM gadget giveaway. So this gadget giveaway is just basically Instagram where they have competition. So if you repost, you know, the average competition, repost a tag on Instagram or Facebook or Twitter, you have a chance of winning. Here we got 3 rewards. You just got the HFM loyalty program, we got demo contest, and we got HFM merchandise. So obviously you can read about this yourself. I'm not going into depth to this. There's obviously a lot of more material on this, like the T's and C's. Like I said, if you're gonna be getting more hectic into trading or deep understanding, just make sure to read as much as you can regarding any topic. So here we got copy trading, tools and education. Make sure to read up a lot on stuff. So yeah. So let's just get into the final part and let's just get into everything covered today. So obviously let's go to our live accounts. Let's go into our demo account. Let's click trade. As you can see there on top, we have a HFM MT4, MT5. Then we got HFM serve. This is basically the server you'll be using on your phone when logging in. So this is also important. So we'll just get over to our MT5 on the account, on the phone. So you can see on MT5 my side, I think the demo account has already been added, so there's the demo account. So you'll just obviously go to manage accounts, you'll click the plus icon on top, and this is where you'll search HFM. So you'll click HFM. Obviously you can see it's a HFM SA, so it's MT5, so click on SFA. So you can see there's HFM Markets SA PTLTD, so that's the one we'll click. And now you can see there is a server, HFM Markets SA Live Server 2. So that's the server you'll be needing. So you'll click on HFM, and you can see HFM Market SA Live 2. So now obviously they're going to ask for your login details. You'll just click, so login details, the password, the username is this one here on top. So that will be different to you. And the password obviously not share because of confidential reason, but the password of this account was emailed to you. So make sure to check the email of this account when creating any account. They will email you an account. So if you're unsure, make sure to comment anything down below or so on, then we can help you further. Basically how to help you further from there on. So just click 511544778, and now you obviously have to check the password of this account via email. Get the right one. So after you have done that, you just click login. So once HFM reads that, you'll see. So it's loading. And there we go. So we can see clearly on screen our account has 0 balance. So obviously once you deposit money on this side, that balance will obviously change. So it's always good to just see how it's done. So like I said, I hope this video gave you more of an insight into how to navigate HFM markets a little bit more. The broker, remember brokers, you don't trade with Beta35. Your broker connects you to basically all the commodities and basically trading out there. So hopefully this video gave you insight. Also want to just give a big shout out to HFM actually to affiliating with me and obviously supporting the channel. Also make sure if you want to sign up, make sure to use the link down below. And also like always, if you have any other questions and you're unsure about specific topics, make sure to comment it down below and I'll try my best to at least assist where I can. So I'm Curtis Parties. Hope this video gave you a really of an insight. And if you're about to sign up, make sure to use the link down below. And yeah, until next time in the mobile app video, I'll spot you on the flip side. I'm Curtis Parties, and until next time, peace out.